Hello, today I'm gonna solve number 1 to 8, longest consecutive sequence. Given an unsorted array of integers, find the length of the longest consecutive elements sequence. Your algorithm should run in O(n) time complexity. Let's see the example. Input is 104, 201, 32. The output should be 4, because the longest consecutive elements sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's think about the idea to solve this problem in O(n) time complexity. How could we know the consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers have the relationship increased by 1. So we can try to find the next number by increasing 1 from the previous number. So we could find the number 2 from number 1, and number n3 and 4 also could be found by increasing 1 by 1. So we could know that the starting point should be number 1. To get the longest increasing consecutive number, we can find number 1 through the first iteration. That's the starting point. I mean that through the first iteration, we should find the minimum value as a starting point. So how can I find the next number existing in an array, which should be faster than the linear search? We can use the hash table. During the first iteration, to find the minimum value, we can build a hash table of this array to use it to find the increasing number faster than the linear search. Okay, let's do this step by step. Starting point is number 1, which is mean value among array numbers. And all these numbers are already pushed in hash table during the first iteration. And we can try to the next number starting from 1 using hash table. If the next number is found in hash table, we can increase the sequence and update the max sequence and update the used flag as true value. What is the used flag? This is the key idea to solve this problem in O(n) time complexity. As you expected, in this while loop, starting from number 1, we could find number 2, 3, 4 as consecutive increasing numbers. Once consecutive numbers were found, we don't need to check these numbers in next iteration, which means that we do this operation for all the remaining numbers, except for already found numbers. With this idea, we can get the O(n) time complexity by skipping these found numbers in the previous iteration. So we do this while loop operation only for number 1 and 100 and 200 by skipping number 2, 3, 4 already used in first iteration. Okay, let's see the solution code. First, we declare the hash map. First is used to find increasing number fast in hash table, and second is for used numbers. First for loop is to find the mean value and the mean index, and also build up the hash table to be used in next iteration for loop down below. And in the second for loop, we calculate the num's index to start from the mean value. As you can see in the diagram, it starts from 1 and moves toward the right side in round-robin way. If the number is already used in previous while loop iteration, we should skip this number. If the number is not used, we do while loop operation to find consecutive increasing number starting from this number. If the next number is found in hash table, we increase the sequence number and set the used flag, and also update the maximum sequence. And lastly, return the max sequence at the end of the function. Okay, this code performs 12 milliseconds, which is faster than 69.80%. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.